Okay, in this case, the the layer is locked, so you can double click it. This is just a scanned image, and you can name it or change it. But there's a couple items here. If you want to take these off, you can clone these. You can select them using the clone tool. And it's just a matter of holding the Option key and clicking that piece off. And gives you a little bit of selection. Anything that's on there you can take off, make the brush a little bit smaller. Use the space bar to adjust it, and the bracket keys to make it smaller. And the Option key allows you to click on that part to build that up. And then when you take a look at close, depending on how this was illustrated, you can see the lightness of that particular piece. So you can go to Image, Adjust Levels, and it shows this histogram that gives you the black pixels and the white pixels, and you can adjust them to set this particular pixel as the darkest black, and the same with the opposite, making it the lightest light to give you that image. And that'll give you that particular section, and most of the stuff is closed shape, so it makes it easier to color all these interior pieces. And you can actually use the brush with a hard-edged brush to darken or add any colors to it. In other words, you can take this all out, swap it to white, and just use the brush for the highlight of some shapes like that. Make it a little bit easier to illustrate. Like so. Again, here's the, you can still see you could probably do a little bit more on the enhancement there. So. And that makes it easy to prepare it. You can put another color layer on top of it and adjust the color palettes for it. And as long as these are closely colored together, linked together, give you that shape. Again, as you work with the layers, you can adjust everything. A layer on top of it. Here you can trap this layer, take the brush, soft edges like so. Again, it makes it a lot easier to illustrate. Magic wand tool you can use, grab all that stuff.